Welcome everyone. Now I will show you how to make this average line, which is an optional where user can choose if they want to see it or not. We use some tricks in this um, to achieve this sort of graph. I'll show you step by step. First of all, you notice that we have used a checkbox control. To get that checkbox control, you need to go to this developer tab and go to insert and use this checkbox in here. Okay, you notice that there is a tick box here. User can select, user can tick or untick this. Don't forget, you need to right click on that box and go to the format control, and from the format control you need to you can actually do different formatting like colors and size, protection, properties, etc. But the most important thing, you need to go to this control. If you select is unchecked, you see that this checkbox is currently unchecked. That's what we want. The cell link is the link that you need to fill. You need to assign any cell. Say for example, if we select F6 and click OK, um, and now if we check this box, you can see if it is checked, it will show the value true. If we uncheck it, uh, it is showing false. This is very important. We are going to use this thing. Okay, so remember, this is the first thing. We need to create a checkbox, and in the checkbox format control we need to select a cell and link that cell with to this checkbox control. Okay, the second thing, we need to add a column obviously for the average. Okay, before we do that, we want to select or highlight the whole table, and we will format this as table. Okay, the reason is that if we use this beautiful feature, once we type any formula in one cell, we don't have to type that in any other cell. I'll show you. Okay, if we type here 2 plus 2, you see the formula gets copied everywhere. If we add another line, I don't have to retype this formula. So this is a magical part of this table that we're going to use. Okay, we just put another value in here. So remember, we need to make our table, select the table and format that as a Excel table. Okay, now we want to uh, insert the average formula, which is AVERAGE, average of this to this. Okay, and select. You can see that um, that formula gets copied across all the cells in the column. So this is beautiful, isn't it? Okay, and now we want to make this average column dynamic as well. I hope you have learned how to make this dynamic, so I don't want to go there again. So I have actually make a name range with the average and make it dynamic. Let's show you. This is the one I'm talking about. If we select, it is selecting all the average value. Okay, we are going to use this. Now in this graph, I have inserted this checkbox and I have assigned this you remember that I said earlier that you need to assign a cell link. Okay, so in this case I have inserted this to H4. Okay, now you see nothing is happening because this average value we want to show only when these become true. In other words, if you just select this as option, this cell will become true, and if it is true, then we want to show average. Okay, so to do that, we just add if here. If this cell equals true, then we want to show this. Okay, otherwise we want to show NA. Done. Okay, so now we want to just copy and paste, but before we copy and paste, we make this h4 static. Just press F4, it will become static, and now copy and paste here. Okay, now the reason I have used this hash NA is the graph, in the Excel graph, if we have this value in any cell, there will be no empty space within the graph. But if we leave it blank, the graph may become very silly, because say if there was no value in 2008, the whole area would become this blank space. We don't want to do that, because it would be very silly. Okay, so this is how we use this checkbox control and its value, and from this value how we create our average line. Okay, now we just hide this and run it. You see, it's too easy. Like select it, unselect it, whatever. Now we add new line 2010 and put 2500. You see the average gets changed, new bar included. So hope you have enjoyed this little series of the power of named range and how to use that and make a graph dynamic. Thanks for watching.